and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second part. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the option in case I don't have place to walk. Good. Woman Zaida. 1, 2, 3. Turn the girl with the right hand on the floor and she's slightly behind me. Connection points here for leading. Hip, arm, and maybe a little bit chest, but more arm. I get with a hand behind the girl completely while I'm turning. That means when I do 1, 2, 3, my hand now from here will switch there, will slide there, so I can make 5. So I'm pushing with the hip and then I'm going. But don't push too much. Don't do it like this. It should be natural. Okay, I'm moving and that's why the girl moves. Like nobody is there, because if you're scared, then you make tension in the frame and the girl gets nervous and then she walks like this. There's no tension here. It's soft, soft tension, preparation. Now, pa, pa, 8. From this point, I turn the girl a little bit back and I cross myself back. 1. I open her to the side. 2. And then I push with the right hand and go behind her with the right leg. 3. 3. Body on the right leg. Now I switch to the left. 4, 5, 6. Good. Second option, we do it in case I don't have space. So in case I'm moving that way and I see, oh shit, there is somebody there, then I do balance. And you can put a little bit of jinga into it, make musicality if you want. The important part is you finish the balance on the left leg, and then when you bring the body weight for the girl on the right, for the exit you close. And then you bring her forward and you step right. Like before, forward, side, close.